Perimeter. In this module, we will discuss the perimeter of closed figures. Sonia had to finish her home science homework. She had to put a lace around a handkerchief, but she was not able to calculate how much lace she needs. Her mama told her to measure the sides of the cloth and find out the length of lace. Ramdeen bought a piece of land. He has to fence it, so he measures all the sides of the land to find out the wire required to fence the land. In both the examples, we talk about the boundary. In mathematical terms, we call it perimeter. Hence, perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed figure. The idea of perimeter is widely used in our daily life. In putting lace to sari or dupatta, in preparing window and door frames, fencing a park, creating boundaries, etc. For handkerchief, we can measure the sides altogether. But in a field, it is a bit difficult. So the better method is to measure each side and finally add them all. Similarly, by adding sides, we can find the perimeter of any closed figure. Now we will find the perimeter of a rectangle. Let us consider a rectangle ABCD whose length and breadth are 15 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to sum of all its four sides. That is, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to AB plus BC plus AB plus BC. As AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, which is equal to 2 into AB plus 2 into BC. This becomes 2 into AB plus BC whole. Putting in the values, we get 2 into 15 centimeter plus 9 centimeter whole is equal to 2 into 24 centimeters is equal to 48 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Let us see this by an example. Shabana wants to put a lace border all around a rectangular table cover 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. Find the length of the lace required by Shabana. Length of the rectangular table cover is equal to 3 meters. Breadth of the rectangular table cover is equal to 2 meters. Shabana wants to put a lace border all around the table cover. Therefore, the length of the lace required will be equal to the perimeter of the rectangular table cover. Now, perimeter of the rectangular table cover is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 2 into 3 meters plus 2 meters is equal to 2 into 5 meters is equal to 10 meters. So, length of the lace required is 10 meters. What about the perimeter of regular shapes? Let us see. First we will consider square. Consider this example. Biswamitra wants to put colored tape all around a square picture of side 1 meter as shown. What will be the length of the colored tape he requires? Since Biswamitra wants to put the colored tape all around the square picture, he needs to find the perimeter of the picture frame. Thus, the length of the tape required is equal to perimeter of square is equal to 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter is equal to 4 meters. Now, we know that all the 4 sides of a square are equal. In place of adding it 4 times, we can multiply the length of one side by 4. Thus, the length of the tape required is equal to 4 into 1 meters is equal to 4 meters. We see that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Now, look at equilateral triangle with each side equal to 4 centimeters. Can we find its perimeter? Perimeter of this equilateral triangle is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 centimeters is equal to 3 into 4 centimeters is equal to 12 centimeters. So we find that perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of a side. What is similar between a square and an equilateral triangle? They are figures having all the sides of equal length and all the angles of equal measure. Such figures are known as regular closed figures. Thus, a square and an equilateral triangle are regular closed figures. We found that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of one side. So what will be the perimeter of a regular pentagon? A regular pentagon has 5 equal sides. Therefore, perimeter of a regular pentagon is equal to 5 into length of one side, and the perimeter of a regular hexagon will be 6 into length of one side, and of an octagon will be 8 into length of one side. Let us take an example. Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meters. Bob runs around a rectangular field with length 160 meters and breadth 105 meters. Who covers more distance and by how much? Solution. Distance covered by Pinky in one round is equal to perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into length of a side is equal to 4 into 75 meters is equal to 300 meters. Distance covered by Bob in one round is equal to perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 2 into 160 meters plus 105 meters is equal to 2 into 265 meters is equal to 530 meters. Difference in the distance covered is equal to 530 meters minus 300 meters is equal to 230 meters. Therefore, Bob covers more distance by 230 meters.